Redox reactions. A redox reaction is a coupled reaction involving the transfer of electrons. In a redox reaction, the molecule or atom is either oxidized in an oxidation reaction or reduced in a reduction reaction. In an oxidation reaction, the molecule or atom loses electrons. It becomes an electron donor, sometimes also referred to as a reducing agent. You can tell that the compound is oxidized because it either gains oxygen, loses hydrogen, or it gains a more positive charge. Whereas in a reduction reaction, the molecule or atom gains electrons. The compound that is reduced is called an electron acceptor, also known as an oxidizing agent. Now don't get confused, because in an oxidation reaction, the compound that gets oxidized becomes a reducing agent, whereas in a reduction reaction, the compound that gets reduced is called an oxidizing agent. And you can tell that it's a reduction reaction or that the compound is reduced because it either loses oxygen, gains hydrogen, or it gains a more negative charge. And we'll look at some examples in just a bit. In this example, we have carbohydrate gets converted to carbon dioxide. Is this an oxidation reaction or reduction reaction? Well, you can tell that the carbon loses hydrogen. It had gained oxygen. So you can tell it's an oxidation reaction. In a process called denitrification, we have nitrate gets converted to nitrogen gas. We can tell that nitrogen had lost oxygen. So it's a reduction reaction. What about this reaction? We got the leaching of iron minerals, Fe3 plus to Fe2 plus. So iron becomes more negative, right? Becomes less positive, more negative. So it had gained a more negative charge, which means this reaction is a reduction reaction.